Hello, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ainaiya Irfana Ramadhani. My student identification number is 250-204-0164, and I am from class group G. In this video, I will explain the pronunciation of the and the. The following are the examples of words which have the sound of consonant the. Tired, tissue, toaster, towel, turkey, turtle, tablecloth, talented, talkative, tangerine, teachable, terrific, tornado, button, guitar, kittens, mittens, potent, hotel, cotton, hotter, kitten, lattice, computer, calculator, competitor, educator, elevator, alphabet, astronaut, calculate, celebrate, hibernate, riverboat, roller skate, substitute, thermostat, accelerate, accumulate, cooperate. Now let's practice pronunciation the following words of the: dust, dot, dive, dance, doctor, doghouse, dollar, doorbell. Definition: democracy, demolitions, destination. The following are the examples of words which have the sound of consonant the: date, daisy, demon, denim, design, dessert, dinner, duckling, dangerous, decided, decorate, delicate, demonstrate, dialect, diary, dinosaur, disconnect, dishwasher, medicine, leather, radio, feeding, kindergarten, birthday, bedding, headache, hidden, leather, lady, Sweden, Thursday, Wednesday, cheerleaders, comedy, afraid, ahead, beside, decade, decide, defeat, dog food, firewood, ex, accepted, attitude, brotherhood, centipede, copperhead, expected, fishing rod, gingerbread. Thank you, ma'am.